بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه نستعين.
His name is Al-Masih Ad-Dajjal. Al-Masih Ad-Dajjal. It's a name made out of two words. Al-Masih and Ad-Dajjal. What are the meanings of these two words? Al-Masih itself, one of the scholars, the author of Qamus al-Muhit, he says that the word Al-Masih could have 50 meanings. It's one of the very rich words. It has a lot of meanings. Some of the meanings of Al-Masih, something that is wiped out. And Ad-Dajjal is called Al-Masih because one of his eyes is wiped out. There's no eye. Al-Masih could mean somebody who masah al-earth, who would travel all over the world. And Rasulullah ﷺ says in a hadith that Ad-Dajjal would travel all over the world. In 40 days, he would wrap the whole world. Another meaning of the word Al-Masih, interestingly enough, is Al-Kadhab and Al-Siddiq. The word Al-Masih could have two opposite meanings, and this could happen in the Arabic language, that you would have a word that means two opposite things. One of them is Al-Siddiq, the truthful, and the other one is the liar. Just like the word Adam. The word Adam has two meanings. One of them is original, and one of them is a meaning that came later. The original meaning of the word Adam is dark, something that is dark. But it also can be used to mean fair, something that is fair color. So we could use the word Adam to describe a dark skin, and he could use it to describe fair skin. And it was used exactly that way in a hadith. When it is used to describe Adam, it means dark skin. And when it is used to describe Isa, it means fair skin. The same word, Adam. So Al-Masih means truthful, and it also means liar. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created two Masih, two Messiahs. One of them is Al-Masih Ad-Dajjal, and the other one is Al-Masih Isa ibn Maryam. One of them is Al-Masih Isa ibn Maryam, which is the truthful Messiah, and the other one is Al-Masih Ad-Dajjal, the liar Messiah, which is Ad-Dajjal. Also the word Masih means anointed, and this would apply to Isa ibn Maryam alayhi salam. So these are some of the meanings that it has. Ad-Dajjal, the word Ad-Dajjal, there are some words in Arabic that were actually describing something physical, and then they started picking up other connotations and meanings. Dajjal al-Ba'ir means painting the color of the camel with qatiran. Qatiran is a black dye, black paint. For some reason, some of the Arabs used to dye the camels with that cover, Allah, to heal it from something, but it would change the color. It would change the color of the camel. Therefore, it is concealing something. It is changing the color of something. And that meaning applies to Ad-Dajjal, because he's not telling the truth. He's covering up something. He's changing the truth. Dajjal al-Shay'. When you use the word as Dajjal al-Hadid, for example, it means coating something with gold. When you coat something with gold, it is called Dajjal. If you bring something and those watches that are electroplated, when there's something that is actually a cheap metal, and then you coat it with gold, that is called Dajjal. So it looks like gold. It looks beautiful from the outside, but inside, it is nothing. And that is also a Dajjal, because he is showing something, but in reality, he is evil. He's claiming that he's God. He would claim that he's righteous. He would claim that he's bringing peace to the world, but he is evil. In the end, he's an unbeliever. He's a disbeliever. That's also another meaning of Ad-Dajjal. Also, Ad-Dajjal means deception. It means lying. It means an impostor. It carries all of these meanings. And all of these meanings apply on Ad-Dajjal. These are meanings of the word Ad-Dajjal, and they all apply on him. So subhanAllah, you see how one title would carry all of these meanings all in one. And how Rasulullah ﷺ named, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed to Rasulullah ﷺ these names.